In this demonstration, we'll be exploring how to write candidates to Lever using an integration we've set up with Bindbee. This is the Lever account that is synced with Bindbee. We'll begin by copying the connector token and the API key. Next, we'll call the remote users API to retrieve all the remote users for this Lever instance. We'll do the same for jobs and job interview stages. Let's move on to the Create Candidate API. We've already filled in the required headers, including the X connector token and the authorization. Let's confirm that. Here's an example of what a sample body for writing a candidate looks like. Not all parameters are mandatory. Only the remote user ID parameter is crucial. This ID would be that of any remote user making this change. Let's use Aditya as an example. We'll copy his ID and paste it here, along with a job ID and a job interview ID. We only have one job, so we'll grab that ID. For the job interview stage, we can choose anything we want. Let's say New Applicant. We'll paste that in here and click Send. As you can see, the candidate has been successfully created. Let's go to our Lever instance and refresh the page. We selected New Lead. It takes some time for Lever to refresh. And there we have it. We have a new applicant, John Doe, that we just created. We can see all the information here. The candidate was created by Aditya and has applied for the HD1 job. Thank you.